The secret to getting ahead is getting started. Tonight we bring you the success story of 31-year-old Watisoni Nata Jr. from Laos, who is the owner of a retail warehouse called The Merch, located at Lodala Beach in Suva. The Merch is quickly becoming a popular go-to furniture and appliances bulk store for many Fijians in the Central Division. Lina Rees with this success story.
Successful Fijians is brought to you by the Fiji Development Bank, your partner in progress.
Watisoni Nata Jr., like many other entrepreneurs, never dreamt of running his own business one day, but with the help of close friends, he quickly found his passion of being in the retail market.
But with the retail, absolutely not. But now that I've ventured into it, I'm actually loving it, and I can see it grow into a long-term venture for me. It was a really completely random idea. With me and two of my best mates, Vincent and Dan. I was talking to them about them earlier. We just sat around and thought of the idea and gave it our first shot.
Nata is a law graduate from the University of Fiji, and instead of pursuing further achievements as a liquidity mediation lawyer, he's always had the urge to try new things.
Absolutely not. I didn't think it would be this popular. I mean, I did have a few pointers as a competitive edge theoretically in my head, but to actually see it in a practical measure with the amount of people that show up is amazing, and it's absolutely mind-blowing, and I want to use it to be able to grow bigger and grow the Merch into something bigger for the people of Fiji.
This young entrepreneur has not always had it easy like all the other businesses. There was also a struggling point which Nata says was stepping stones to where he is today. The idea of selling second-hand merchandise was established with great support from family and friends.
The challenges are many, and they come in different facets and faces. But I wish somebody had told me all these things before I started. But with any venture, there's always risks, and you'll always have problems or issues that come up and arise along the way. And but I think the important thing really is for us to, if you're going to be an entrepreneur, challenges are a given, and you just got to be able to build your resolve and try and sort of, strategize to be able to counter those problems that come across.
With just one warehouse at Center Point, Nata plans to expand his business to other divisions in the future and employ more locals. Lina Rees, FBC News.
Successful Fijians is brought to you by the Fiji Development Bank, your partner in progress.